You're watching How Leap. Let's show the battery percentage on your MacBook. Click the Apple logo in the top left corner and select System Settings. In the System Settings window, click Control Center in the left sidebar. Scroll down on the right side to find Battery in the module list. Click the drop-down menu next to Battery. Here you will see an option labeled Show Percentage. Select Always from the choices. The battery percentage will now appear next to the battery icon in your menu bar at the top right of the screen. If you don't see the battery icon at all, go back to the Control Center settings, scroll to the bottom, and look for Menu Bar only. Find Battery and make sure it is toggled to show in the menu bar. You can also click the battery icon in the menu bar to see a detailed breakdown, including the percentage, time remaining, and battery health status. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.